Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And nature sing, and nature sing, and earth and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their souls employ. While fields and floods, oaks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. No more the sin and sorrow, no thorns infest the ground. He comes to make His blessings flow. For us the kiss is found, for us the kiss is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love.
These friggin' things were being drawn and stuff back in the day.
Okay, babe, go. Okay.
Alright, enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
You guys have a good time?
Yeah.
So the car we are in is a 1923 Model T depot hack, it's called.
Okay.
23?
1923, 101-year-old car.
Wow.
Has it been modified in any way? To make it safer, or
What's that?
has it been modified, like, I don't know, original wooden parts made metal As is.
We try to keep them as original as possible.
Okay.
The only things we've changed that wouldn't be very correct necessarily is the window glass in all of our cars is safety glass.
Okay.
Originally, Model Ts would not have had that. They would have had just plate glass windows. Because safety glass had not been invented yet.
Okay.
But we put it in there, all for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
The other thing is self-starter motors. You know, a starter that you turn the key and it starts the engine, right?
Yeah.
The motor that does that?
Yeah.
Well, those hadn't been invented either. Model T's came out, and we put them in our cars. Later on, in the last part of the run of Model T's, they were an option, but they were never standard equipment.
Yeah.
Okay.
But all of our cars have got self-starting motors on it.
Okay.
That's it.
Cool.
Everything else is as original as possible.
All right.
So, you know, you get the true Model T experience.
Yeah.
And you are getting it today because this car never, the cars that we have out, the touring cars and runabouts, those came with side curtains. This depot hack did not. If you traveled in this car 101 years ago, it would have been just like this on a cold day.
So that's where you need to go a
part
lot
of the
faster.
true Model T experience. The only real difference, the biggest difference between traveling in this today and traveling 100 years ago is the roads were never this good 100 years ago.
All right.
They've been a lot bumpier.
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a
Two-horse open sleigh.
All the way. Come to